Vaseline, a name synonymous with care and versatility. It's probably sitting in your bathroom cabinet right now, quietly waiting to be of service. This humble jar of petroleum jelly is a true multitasker, a silent hero in our daily routines. From soothing dry skin to shining your shoes, Vaseline has a surprising number of uses. It can even help with minor cuts and burns, providing a protective barrier. For over 150 years, Vaseline has been a staple in homes around the world. Its history is rich, dating back to the 19th century when it was first discovered. It's inexpensive, readily available, and incredibly versatile. You can find it in almost any store, making it accessible to everyone. But did you know about all its hidden talents? From beauty hacks to household fixes, the possibilities are endless. In this article, we'll explore the amazing benefits of Vaseline. You'll learn how it can be a game changer in your daily life. We'll uncover some unexpected uses for men and women, showing how this simple product can make a big difference. And we'll touch upon important safety tips to keep in mind. It's crucial to use it correctly to reap its full benefits. Get ready to be amazed by the power of this simple yet effective product. Vaseline is more than just a jar, it's a wonder waiting to be discovered. Let's start with the basics. Vaseline, also known as petroleum jelly, has been a household staple for over a century. Vaseline is a wonderful moisturizer. It's especially effective for those with dry or sensitive skin. It creates a protective barrier on the skin, locking in moisture and preventing it from evaporating. This is particularly beneficial in dry climates or during the winter months. This makes it perfect for dry areas like elbows, knees, and even lips. These areas often suffer the most from dryness and can benefit greatly from regular application. Vaseline can also help heal minor cuts and burns. Its occlusive properties keep the wound moist, which is crucial for faster healing. It keeps the wound moist, preventing scabbing and reducing the risk of scarring. This is especially useful for those prone to keloids or hypertrophic scars. Always remember to clean the wound thoroughly before applying Vaseline. This ensures that no bacteria or debris is trapped under the protective layer. Suffering from chapped lips? Vaseline to the rescue. It provides instant relief and long-lasting hydration. Apply a thin layer to keep your lips hydrated, especially during harsh weather conditions. Cold winds and low humidity can wreak havoc on your lips, making Vaseline an essential item in your winter skincare routine. You can even use it as a base for your lipstick to prevent feathering. This not only keeps your lips moisturized, but also ensures your lipstick stays in place longer. From soothing skin irritations to removing makeup, Vaseline is a true all-rounder when it comes to everyday health and skincare. Its versatility makes it a must-have in any beauty or first aid kit. Ladies, Vaseline can be your secret weapon for enhancing your natural beauty. Looking for longer, thicker eyelashes? Apply a small amount of Vaseline to your lashes before bedtime. Want to soften your cuticles? Massage a bit of Vaseline into your nail beds. It helps condition the cuticles and promotes healthy nail growth. Vaseline can also tame unruly eyebrows. Just a dab will keep those brows in place all day long. And for a dewy glow, mix a touch of Vaseline with your blush for a natural-looking highlight. With its versatility and affordability, Vaseline is a must-have in any woman's beauty arsenal. Gentlemen, Vaseline isn't just for the ladies. It's a versatile product that every modern man should have in his arsenal. It has plenty of practical uses for men too, making it an essential item in both your bathroom and your workshop. Dealing with razor burn? Vaseline can soothe the irritation and prevent future bumps. Just apply a thin layer after shaving to keep your skin smooth and comfortable. Working with your hands? Vaseline creates a barrier against dirt and grime, protecting your skin from drying out. It's perfect for those who spend a lot of time outdoors or in harsh conditions. This is especially useful for mechanics, gardeners, and anyone who works with their hands. It helps to keep your skin moisturized and prevents cracks and splits. Got a squeaky door hinge driving you crazy? A dab of Vaseline can silence that annoying squeak in seconds. It's a quick and easy fix that doesn't require any special tools. It acts as a lubricant, reducing friction and noise. Use it on mechanical parts, tools, and even zippers to keep everything running smoothly. From shaving to household chores, Vaseline is a handy tool for any man's toolkit. Its versatility and effectiveness make it a must-have for tackling everyday problems with ease. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Your support means the world to us and helps us bring you more valuable content. Don't forget to check our top recommended products. You can find these recommendations in the description box below.